Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you about how to tether an iPad to an iPhone. Step 1, open settings. Step 2, select personal hotspot. Step 3, move the allow others to join toggle switch to on/green. Step 4, note the password listed on this screen. If the default password is too hard to remember, you can change it by tapping it and entering a new one on the next screen. Tap done to save the new password. Step 5, your iPhone is now ready to connect to your iPad. Now follow these steps to connect your iPad to your iPhone hotspot. Step 1, tap settings. Step 2, tap Wi-Fi. Step 3, in the personal hotspot section, tap the name of your phone. Step 4, enter the password for the hotspot if prompted. The password can be found in the menu on your iPhone. Step 5, the iPad can access the internet through the iPhone as long as the personal hotspot is turned on and the iPad is in Wi-Fi range of the iPhone. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.